with Dre's DIYR Do It Yourself Right. So I took my bike for a ride and came in, I parked it, I hit the alarm, and it didn't arm. So I'm like, oh my God, here we go again with this alarm thing. So I took the back seat off. Looking inside, and everything seems to be hooked up correct. So I'm gonna take this out of here and we're gonna see what's going on with it. Let me show you me arming it first. Let's see. Okay, well, it's arming now. The light's blinking. Okay, so there's something wrong with the sensitivity on it. It's arming, but it's not going off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out and take this apart and see what's going on with it. All right, guys, so basically all you're gonna do is disconnect this harness here, squeeze and pull. All right, turn on the back. We got 4 Phillip head screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a Gorilla Alarm 8007. All right, let's take it apart. All right, guys, so I took this thing out and there's something in there. Something's loose. Probably comes from hitting bumps on the bike, minor potholes, things like that. So let's go ahead and get in it. So we're gonna take out these 4 Phillip head screws. 1, 2, 3. 4. All right, put these off to the side. Let's open it up. Okay, I see it. Be careful because you have a harness that's connected in here. For some reason this is loose. I don't really know what this is. It looks like it's the sensitivity device. We're gonna check it out. Pull this harness connector loose. All right, set this to the side. Let's see where this goes. Okay, I think I see. I think it goes right here. It goes right here. And then that wire goes right here. So the wire goes here. And then this thing goes up here. All right, let's get the solder gun. All right, I got the solder gun all hot and ready to go. What I'm gonna do first is this part right here. I'm gonna heat this solder up, but I'm gonna put some more solder on here. So I'm gonna put a little more down here too. All right. Now this part right here, I'm going to solder to the top of this. It's going to be kind of difficult, but we'll see what we can do. And put a little extra solder on this. Let's try this again. Try to cool it off a little bit. I think that's pretty tight. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder this wire right here in this corner right here. See if I can get that on there. All right. So you got everything here, soldered down at the bottom right here, soldered this part up here. It's on there pretty tight. I'm thinking that's what was wrong. We're going to check it out. All right, basically what we're going to do is go ahead and put this back together. Connect the harness back. Basically what you're going to try to do is get these prongs in these fittings right here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 here and it's 4 there. So you're just going to line it up. You're going to just line it up. All right. Got that down. See how that kind of sits in there? All right, we're going to put it back together. Turn it around. Make sure you get this wire tucked down in here. Don't forget to cut your soldering iron off. All right. Screws in. Get it down, kind of give it a little turn, just not too tight where you strip it out. Put that in there. All right, what we're gonna do is go back to the bike and get it back in there. All right, guys, back at the bike. Just gonna reconnect this harness. Get it in there nice and tight. I like to try my best to arrange it as best as I can. All right, I'm just gonna sit that in there. All right, so it's back in here. Got it back in here. So let's check and see if it works. Get my keys out. Okay. Got it armed. You can see the LEDs flashing. Let's see. It's working. Let's try it one more time. LEDs flashing. Hey, we got it together. Put your seat back on. It's time to ride. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.